good morning. Breakfast with lapu-lapu. What do you call this fish in your place? We call this fish lapu-lapu. So, look it up through in Google. So, what kind of fish is this in your place? This is lapu-lapu for in the Philippines. Look. It's very fat. The meat is very fat. So I make a soup. I made a soup. I cook it with a soup with kamote tops, with a lot of kamatis. So here. So look at this, very fat. And I'll show you how to eat the head. You have to suck it up. How about you there? When I ask you, just put in the comment your answer in the comment. If you include, if you don't remove the head, if you cook the fish. Here in the Philippines, we don't remove the head. Oh, it's very fat. There's a lot of fat in meat in the head. This is the eyeball. Eyeball. This is the eyeball. Maybe you are watching outside the Philippines, like in US, Canada. There's a lot of bones. Very yummy.
Bye.